well, starting off today with smartphones and what's going on there, and a bit of a lead-in. Best Buy reported holiday sales, and they were not pretty. And this is for smartphones.
Yes.
Domestics.
Well, they reported holiday sales in general,
right? But then they broke
particularly
down,
ugly part of the report was
lots of people buy.
Yeah.
Domestic sales over the 9 weeks ended January 2nd fell 1.2%, excluding new stores and closures year over year. And according to the press release, the domestic decline was primarily driven by the mobile phone category. So they're actually calling out mobile phone sales.
Yeah.
Do you think they're being a little weak there, or are they just kind of blah?
So, I mean, they go on to say, like, excluding mobile phones, domestic revenue increased year over year due to our strong performance in health and wearables, home theater, and appliances.
So maybe they're warranted.
Yeah. And they actually do a segment-by-segment breakout here, and they look at some of the numbers. And domestically, the computing and mobile phone segment, which is actually what we're going to spend quite a bit of the show talking about, was down 7% from last year, and that's lapping a 2% decrease the year before.
Everybody I know, Christine and James upstairs were talking about buying new phones. Like, people are buying phones. What's going on here?
Yeah, and that's the weird thing about it. It's like everyone you see has a smartphone, right? Everyone that you know has a laptop or a tablet or something like that. You don't think of these as struggling businesses, right? But
when did the iPhone 6 come out?
The iPhone 6 came out
earlier this year, so that's not it.
Well, so the 6S came out in the fall,
right?
And the 6 came out.
It was spring, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
anyway.
But another piece of news, I think, so, you think about it, like the way that Best Buy was stating this is domestic. But this is not just a domestic issue with these slowing growth rates. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and they are a component company that makes chips that power the iPhones, said that it expects Q1 revenue to be down 11% year over year, and that is due to soft demand for high-end smartphones. And just to give you an idea of their relationship with Apple as it relates to their larger financials, roughly 20% of their revenue comes from sales to Apple.
Wow.
Two other Apple providers, Largen Precision, a company that makes camera modules, and Catcher Technology Co., a company that specializes in metal casings, both have issued kind of similar guidance about what they expect for 2016.